subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new budget smartphone under Y series globally called Vivo Y01. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y01 supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus Halo Full View display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The stylish rear panel of the phone features a single 8-megapixel camera or 13-megapixel camera in some other regions with LED flash at the top left corner. Under the hood, the Vivo Y01 comes powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2 or 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 Undergo edition with FunTouch OS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor which is market dependent, and it also comes with multi-turbo 3.0 feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.96 by 75.2 by 8.28 mm, and it weighs around 178 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y01 has been priced in Kenya at 11,999 Kenyan shillings for the base variant, and it is now available for purchase in the country in sapphire blue and elegant black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y01 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.